Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be doing these gorgeous glass acrylic nails with sugared snowflakes.
I'm always doing the most, finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back, let it swing right back.
Okay, so we're jumping straight into the video. I've already applied my XL no C-curve tips and my clear base, and I'm just getting my products ready. I'm going to be using My Sweetheart, Holo Red Hearts and Metallic Red Glitter Acrylic. And the brush that I'm using is a size 14 Magic Stick from my website, which is glitterplanetuk.com. Love, love, love using this big brush at the minute. Okay, so I'm coming in with metallic red at my cuticle area, and I'm just making sure to apply that nice and neat and even around that area, not flooding the cuticle, not touching the skin. You want to make it nice and kind of, what's the word? Symmetrical, so it's like a nice C-curve or arch around the cuticle, so it's even and looking beautiful. Once I've applied the metallic red glitter acrylic, I'm just using some clear acrylic to pick up my glitter, and then I'm patting that into the wet acrylic on the nail. Somebody requested these nails. They wanted some heart glass nails, and I have no idea who it was. I've tried and tried to search for the comment so I could add it into my video with no luck. So I'm really sorry that I didn't manage to tag you in the video, but thank you for requesting this set. It turned out super, super cute and I absolutely love it. Moving on to the middle nail, I'm coming in with my cover powder and I'm using pure pink, and I'm just applying that at the cuticle, blending that down the nail, and then we're going to add some more of those glitters. You just want to make sure you are using your brush to tuck that product in and get a really nice flush cuticle area. Make sure to use the belly of the brush to control the product, stop it from running down the sides or going where you don't want it. Once you've got product in place, you want to then come in with some light feathering motions and blend it down the nail. So for this nail, it's going to have the hearts on the free edge, like the glass tip. All of the nail tips do have a glass free edge. Some of them are going to have hearts on, some of them are just going to have that loose glitter, which I'm applying now, which is called My Sweetheart. I just wanted to kind of mix and match it up and do a little bit of different on each nail, and then we're going to go further and make them super Christmassy, adding some sugared snowflakes later on in the video. So basically it's a super simple set, and I'm just following the same process on all of the nails, where I'm using the clear acrylic, the glitter acrylic and the loose glitters to apply on the nail just in random orders and building up that design. Once I'm happy with the layout, I'll then come in and encapsulate everything. But yeah, to apply these chunky hearts, I've just added some clear acrylic to the free edge. It's the Nailmate Crystal Clear. And then I'm picking up the hearts, which I've put out onto my little lint-free wipe, and then placing them where I want them. I find that this is the best way to do it rather than trying to pick them up from the pot, because then you're going to pick up like so many and it just becomes really hard to kind of spread them out. And next I'm coming in and adding more glitter just to build up that ombre fade area. Just wanted to add a little bit more on there. When I was creating this set, I was like, this is seriously super Valentine's inspired, and we are nowhere near Valentine's. I was like, how can I make it Christmassy? How? And I think I did that by adding the snowflakes. I think it Christmassified. I don't know which one you'd use, but yeah. I think they still looked super, super cute and adorable. But yeah, let me know what you think. Do you think these turned out Christmassy in the end, or would you still say that they're kind of more towards the Valentine's? I mean, because I love Christmas. It's like my favourite time of year, so the love hearts can represent the abundance of love that I have for this time, and the snowflakes are just extra Christmassy. And obviously they're red as well, which, you know, hits the nail on the head. Okay, so now I have all of my glitters applied, everything is dry and we are ready to encapsulate. I love how gorgeous this is looking. Super excited to see the finished look. Cannot freaking wait. So I'm just going to go ahead and encapsulate one nail on camera so you guys can see how I do that with the chunky hearts, and then I'll do the rest off camera and we can come in and top coat once I've done that. So I went ahead and continued to encapsulate all of the nails. I filed and buffed them off camera, got rid of all of that dust using the dust brush, and this is how they are looking. So we are ready to come in with our Supergloss, and I'm going to go ahead and apply a nice layer over all of the nails, and then we're going to do a complete full cure in the light. If you wanted to just wear this set as it is without the snowflakes, definitely go for it. I think it looks absolutely bomb. If you want to make them extra Christmassy, you've got to add the snowflakes. Like, it's got to be done. It has got to be done. I just love how this looks. I don't think I've done a glass like tip for ages. It seems like so long. I haven't really done anything for such a long time. I've been so sick and just then trying to play catch up with everything. But yeah, we're getting back into it slow and steady. So yeah, we're applying that top coat to the top of the nail, and because we have a glass tip, we're going to go ahead and apply that underneath the nail as well. So I went ahead, cured that in the light. I've added my cuticle oil, and this is the look, or part one of the look, I guess. I'm giving you two looks in this video, one without the snowflakes and one with. I'm just loving those hearts encapsulated in the glass nails. I think they look absolutely stunning. And this glitter, my sweetheart, is the prettiest. It just has like pink and red reflex. It's absolutely stunning. If you liked how this looked, then give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see how to Christmasify, I don't even know if that's a word, Christmasify, let's just pretend it is, these nails, then keep watching. We're just going to come in with some white gel, a dotting tool, a liner brush, and some iridescent rainbow glitter, which is Fairy Lights. I got that wrong. The glitter is not Fairy Lights, it's Fairy Dust. We've just released a new one called Fairy Lights and it's absolutely stunning. And I've just been using it and that's why I got mixed up. But yeah, it's Fairy Dust. So we're going to come in with our dotting tool, and as you can see, I'm just kind of making a cross. We've got a dot in the center and then 4 on the outside. Next, I'm going to come in with my baddest liner brush and we're going to join the dots up, dragging that product through the dots, and it's going to create a gorgeous snowflake. It's the easiest, simplest way to create snowflakes, and it just looks so effective. Next, we're going to come in between each of the 4 lines that we already have, and we're going to pull that product out and create like a little spike. Once we've done that, we're going to come back in with the dotting tool and add another like blob on the end, and that's going to give us the basis of our snowflake. And I think it's just a cute and simple way to create a snowflake, and it looks really, really fun and like you've been painting it forever. I showed Babe and he was like, have you painted those? I was like, yeah. I was like, no. I was like, yeah. He literally didn't believe me, because it just looks so effective. So super simple to do, but so effective. But yeah, once you've finished tweaking your design, the next thing to do is come in with the glitter. Of course, if you didn't want to have the sugared snowflake, you could paint these on before you top coat and then top coat everything and just have them plain, or you could do them in a different colour. Whatever you want to do it. You know, your nails or your client's nails, make them fancy. But yeah, whilst that gel is wet, I'm going to come in with fairy dust and I'm just going to sprinkle it over the top, making sure to get all of the areas. Then I'll cure in the light for a full 60 seconds and continue the process on all of the nails until I have snowflakes wherever I want them. And that is literally it, guys, for this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching. I hope you love how this set turned out. Super fun, super Christmassy, and super glamorous still. Like, not too over the top, but still kind of out there. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, you're going to catch somebody's eyes. Not literally, but do you know what I mean? Yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. And as always, please remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anybody tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye.